How are you doing, math learners? This is your free access YouTube educator, Math Teacher Ash, and welcome to Math Learning with Sir Ash. Today, we will be answering another FB Math challenge that is presented to us. This is about the field of algebra. So we will tend to solve for the value of x given this equation. Now, if you want to know the answer of this given equation, tune in and finish this video. But before anything else, hit the subscribe button and notification bell for you to be updated of these cool, clear math videos just like this. Okay, math learners, we have here our equation. The square root of 3 to the power of square root of x is equal to 3 to the power of 1 over square root of x. So how do we solve for the value of x? So first things first, my dear math learners, we will be applying our learnings in the law of radicals. So in the left side, we can put our square root of x outside the parenthesis. So giving square root of 3, the quantity of square root of 3 to the power of square root of x is equal to 3 to the power of 1 over square root of x. Just the same, just copy the right side. And then our 3 can be converted into an exponential expression, and this will become 3 to the power of 1/2 the quantity, and then to the power of square root of x is equal to the same. You just copy or you just bring it down. And then we can multiply now 1/2 to our square root of x, giving us 3 to the power of square root of x over 2 is equal to 3 to the power of 1 over square root of x. Now, in this given equation, we have the same base. So we can now equate our two exponents. So we have square root of x over 2 is equal to 1 over square root of x. Now, by applying the cross multiplication, we will have square root of x squared is equal to 2. So we have 1 times 2, that is 2. Okay, now canceling the square root, and we have now our answer, which is equal to 2. All right, so now for the checking, my dear math learners, I know you want to know whether our answers are or is correct. So by checking, we just need to substitute the value of 2 to our x in the given equation. So by doing so, we have square root of 3 to the power of square root of 2 is equal to 3 to the power of 1 over square root of 2. So the same, we will be doing the application of law of radicals, and we will put our exponent outside, so giving us the quantity square root of 3 to the power of square root of 2 is equal to 3 to the power of 1 over square root of 2. All right, then we can multiply our exponents in the left side, so giving us 3 to the power of square root of 2 over 2 is equal to just the same, 3 to the power of 1 over square root of 2. And then since we have the same base, we can now equate our equation. So we have square root of 2 over 2 is equal to 1 over square root of 2. Now, my dear math learners, remember the law of radicals, that the final answer should not have a radical sign in the denominator side. So we can apply the cross multiplication, giving us square root of 4 is equal to 2 by cross multiplication. And if we simplify square root of 4, that is 2. So 2 is equal to 2. And that is how we get our checking. And so it is very true that the value of x is equal to 2. So if you have enjoyed this simple discussion about solving the value of x, applying what you have learned in radicals, specifically about algebra, you can also consider our videos in our channel. This is still your free access YouTube educator, Math Teacher Ash, and always remember, it is fun to learn mathematics if we are together learning. Thank you so much. God bless, and keep safe always. Hey math learners, if you want to learn more cool, clear math videos and learn mathematics in the easy way, check out these videos right here. Keep safe, everyone, and always remember, it is fun to learn mathematics if we are together learning.